got matching tattoos, like we locked in. We made it to the Las Vegas side. I love it. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time you are watching this. Hey. So as y'all already read the title down below, your girl is in Las Vegas, baby. Viva Las Vegas. Yes. Okay. Your girl is in Las Vegas, and I'm so excited. This is my first time in Las Vegas, and it is a random trip. It was supposed to be a birthday celebration trip, but the person whose birthday we were celebrating decided to back out. So your girl is still here because my ticket was already bought. Hotel was already paid for. So I had to show up. Couldn't do no cancellations. Granted, I don't need anybody to travel with or to travel for, but you know, when you trying to celebrate a friend, you know, you expect a friend to show up, but a friend didn't show up. But I showed up. I'm here. She has arrived. And I won't be alone. My man is coming, which he should be getting in soon. I arrived way before him, like way before him. But he's gonna be getting here soon, and I'm so excited. It's our first day. It's a Friday, so we're just gonna go out. I think I'm gonna go to Fremont Street, and then also we're going to just go get something to eat and dinner because it's pretty late. Like, what time is it? It's like about to be 7 o'clock p.m. So it's about to be 7 o'clock p.m. Las Vegas, California time, PT time. Yeah, PT time, because I live in New York and we ET. So I think Las Vegas is PT. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's PT. So it's 7 p.m. PT time. So that's pretty late. But you know, you don't sleep in Vegas, baby. You don't sleep in Vegas, baby. And we don't plan on getting no sleep. And the fun thing about this trip is we have no itinerary. Like, I am the itinerary queen. Like, literally, I will plan a trip down to the nitty gritty, baby, from the head to the toe, to the rooter to the tutor. I will plan, okay? But this trip is no plan. So that's gonna bring the joy into this vlog because we're just gonna find things to do. Whatever happens, happens. If nothing happens, nothing happens. But it's me. I'm gonna make sure y'all enjoy this vlog. It's gonna be entertaining. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be filled with love because I'm with my man. Duh. But with that being said, let me show you all the room that I am currently staying in. So I booked a hotel. Hold on. I couldn't keep doing that. So I booked my hotel with Resort World Hilton. But baby, Hilton must be ran out of rooms because they moved me to Resort World Conrad, which I think they say that all the rooms are the same, but it was like Hilton don't have as many rooms as Conrad. Now they could be lying, but it don't matter. I'm here. The room is nice and it's spacious. It's only two of us. It ain't like a girl trying to get a suite and wild out in Vegas. So the room has done what needs to be done. So I'm going to show you all the room, and then once I show you all the room, my man should be getting in soon, and once he is in, I'm gonna let him get settled, chill, relax, freshen up, whatever he needs to do, and then we heading outside, baby. Let's go. Viva Las Vegas. So I was about to show you all the room, but my man just called me and my man said he here, so y'all gotta wait. I'm gonna go downstairs to get him because you need a key card to even get on the elevator to get to the room that we're in. So I'm about to go downstairs, get my man, and then come back upstairs, show y'all the room, and then we gonna head out. Oh, look at that body yaddy back there. Who that is? Who that me? But yeah, so yeah, I'm waiting for these elevators. Oh my God, it's just a lot. It's not a lot, it's just a lot of floors. So gotta wait for the elevator to come. So I can't wait to get to my man, y'all. I don't think y'all understand. I miss my baby, like, cause if y'all been watching my vlogs or follow my channel, like y'all know we in a long distance relationship. It's been down there, what, 5-6 years? So I miss him. I put a kiss all over him. Like, so y'all don't try to be in our business.
Hey, Miss Ma'am. Hi guys, I'm back in the videos.
Come on. You said what, baby? Okay, y'all, so we are out of the hotel room. As y'all already seen our room, it looks really good. What do you think about the room? Cause y'all, Brandon do not play about hotel rooms. Me, I just get a hotel room because I know I ain't gonna be in a house, in a room all day. Him, he like, no, give me a good room. So now I've been booking us better rooms. So rating the room so far, what are we giving it?
The room is a 10.
This is good. If y'all know how much he has ridiculed me about the rooms, y'all will know this is really good. But needless to say, we out here looking for something to eat because I haven't eaten all day. So I'm about to get some food from this taco spot. We probably gonna get a drink, and catch up out before we head out. If we even go out, y'all. I said we was gonna go out, but I don't know. We may just, start fresh tomorrow because this layover and this time change is taking me out. I'm tired. And I don't even be tired like that, but I'm hyped. I'm gonna get the oh wait, what you want? Hey, no, get what you want. Oh, and then I'm gonna get the two street tacos, steak and chicken. And then also what drink you want, baby?
Watermelon.
What size we have?
24.
Yeah. And I'm gonna get a strawberry lemonade, no ice. And then we want a double shot or one shot? Double shot for both. Okay, y'all, so we got our food. Here's the taco. What does it taste like? Is it good?
Yours is strong.
And here's the nachos. Nachos look good.
Don't get comfortable with them in front of you.
Now you won't like that.
Don't get comfortable with that in front of you.
Whatever.
Oh.
Okay, so which one is which?
It's the watermelon. This is whatever.
Strawberry lemonade. It's not as sweet as I would have liked it, but it's not bad.
Okay.
Let me touch yours. So do you want beef or chicken, or you don't want neither? You want to taste it? This is beef.
Try the chicken. You sprinkle the juice, the lemon on it?
It's good. This sauce actually not bad once you put it on there.
I'm surprised you actually use the sauce.
Let me get some of your sauce.
You
watch this, you spit out.
They can't even his voice gone.
Oh, yeah, my bad, y'all. I lost my voice. But, Miss Bird, this is your twin. Don't
No. I am not your twin, Mom.
She's gonna be happy.
Lies. He's telling lies. But okay, we eating, so I'm logging out. Whatever. Anyways, y'all, so we just got back from eating from the place Michos Tacos.
Michos Tacos.
Michos Tacos. No, babe, come closer because the view in the back. Oh, not really. It's not. You was fine. But yeah, so we just got back from eating from there. Let's review. What you think?
I didn't have your tacos.
I asked you though.
But I'm just saying, like, you gotta review that first.
Okay, so I had 2 tacos and baby got nachos. Fully loaded nachos. My tacos was a 5 out of 10. I don't know. I just hate Mexican street tacos because they do not put anything extra on it. Like they only put meat. What it is, cilantro, my bad, I'm tripping. Yeah, cilantro. And the meat.
And onions.
And onions. Yeah. Like, that just don't do it for me, baby. I need cheese, I need sour cream, give me some bell peppers, and like, you know, the tacos, we make black people tacos. So, you know, but, so I say 5 out of 10. It could have been seasoned, and it could have been a little bit hotter.
You said the what's name was good, though.
No, it was good, but it could have been seasoned more. Just because something is good, like, that don't mean it needs a little bit more zhuzh to it.
Nothing, just.
Yeah, so 5 out of 10.
Okay.
And that's the reason why I got a 5 out of 10. It's because the beef was good. The chicken really wasn't good to me.
Okay, so.
But I didn't eat my chicken taco. I just threw the chicken from my taco on baby nachos, and then that's when it went up. Cause the nachos was 10 out of 10 for me.
The nachos are 10.
The nachos was 10 out of 10 for me.
The nachos was 10. It wasn't nothing bad about them. The guac was straight. It wasn't like no like authentic good guac, but it was cool.
Oh, how you know the difference between authentic and not authentic?
I'll be around.
I'll
be around though, so the guac was if you know, it wasn't nothing to talk about. Everything else cool though. The drinks.
Okay, so I ordered strawberry. Huh?
So you had strawberry.
Yeah, I had strawberry lemonade, and he got a watermelon, and I told her to add a shot in each of ours. But she only added a shot to mine. She didn't add a shot to yours. So his was just a watermelon juice, and mine was strawberry lemonade with a premium tequila shot. And it's good to me. Like, it can be sweeter. Like, y'all know I love flavor. I love everything sweet, and I love everything season. It's good, but I give it a 7 out of 10.
The watermelon juice was cool. It wasn't the best one I had. Like I said, Tutti Frutti at the crib.
Yeah.
But yeah, watermelon juice was cool. I mean, maybe it would probably have been nasty with the shot, honestly.
Oh.
It would have been disgusting.
So what you rate your drink?
By itself, 7. Just a flat 7.
I would have gave his a 5. Cause I tasted yours. It should, but you know, watermelon tastes like it's water. Yeah, it literally already don't taste like nothing. So to also not have fully flavored.
Yeah, you can tell it wasn't like the best watermelon.
And that's why I always, when I get drinks from places that I don't really know how their flavors are, I always say no ice, cause it's gonna water it down. So if your drink is already watery. And then you have ice, it's gonna water it down even more. So now I'm just drinking water. Baby, I could have just drunk water. If I wanted water,
give me a bottle.
Hey, Fiji.
But so far so good. I mean.
But so far so good. Isn't anything?
There's a lot of good.
Overall, a 6 out of 10. Like everything that we had, a 6 out of 10 overall. But individually, those was the individual ratings for the food that we had. But yeah, so far we starting off good in Vegas. We ate good. Okay, we ate decent. We're not gonna say good. We ate decent.
Ate decent.
Just to put something in our
Airport was nice. Coming in the airport was nice. Uber, I had a Lyft. You had a Lyft too.
I had Lyft too.
Lyft. Was it a Tesla?
You had a motherfucking Tesla?
Yeah, it's like my 3rd time.
I ain't have a Tesla. I had a nice little Malibu Chevy.
Oh yeah.
Chevrolet. You know. So yeah, so it's what? It is now 9:00 p.m. So Fairmont Street should still be open. So we gonna head there. I don't know. I'm gonna double check. I keep telling y'all that's where we're gonna go, but I told y'all earlier, we do not have an itinerary. We are literally going with the flow.
We gotta tell them the story behind this.
We gonna tell them the story. That's gonna be the last thing we do. The last thing we gonna do is tell y'all the story of how we ended up in Vegas. I kind of gave them a snippet, and I just basically told them like it was a friend birthday. Like I came to Vegas for a friend birthday celebration.
Are we gonna give them?
But the friend didn't show up.
Are we gonna
I ain't say if it was a he or her or nothing. All I said was a friend.
Okay, so I gave up a little bit.
So we had a friend. It was a friend birthday celebration. A friend decided not to show up for their birthday celebration, but we had already paid for our things.
Yeah.
So we just had to come, but at least we together.
Yeah, that's all that matters. That's gonna make the trip good.
It's always good with you, but
Hey.
hey. Yeah.
Alright.
So we'll give y'all the full story afterwards, and if you watch this, we don't care. Boy.
You know what it is.
Yeah.
That was crazy.
We out.
Coming up in part 2 of my Las Vegas vlog.
We just got done getting our tattoos. Yeah.
Stupid.
When we logged in, ain't no switching up.